everyone? Got a 2014 Honda Civic today. We're going to replace the remote key fob battery. So the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. Now there's a sliding button right here that we're going to slide to the right, and then we can pull the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote like that. Now we're going to take the remote and we're going to hold it upside down, and we're going to split it open, and I'm going to use the emergency key to do that. I'm going to stick it in sideways like this, okay, and I'm going to turn it counterclockwise, all right, and I'll crack it open just like that. All right, now we want to hold the remote like this with our thumb, because this piece can fall out or come out, okay, the remote board actually, and when that happens, all these little buttons like to fall out too. Since we're in the car, we don't want that to happen. If you're working over a table, it's not that critical, but in the car, we're going to do this. I kind of put my thumb on the battery a little bit, so when I pop it out of here, it doesn't fall out either. Okay, we're just going to just dig it right out, just like that. I'll show you what size the new battery is. Okay, the new battery size is going to be a CR2032, and it has a positive sign right here on the front of it. We're just going to place it in the top of the remote first, slide it in, then click it down like that. Just get the back half of the remote, stick it on here, snap it together, and we're all done. Put the emergency key back in. And that's it. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it. Drop me a like, leave me a comment. Hope to see you again in another video.